Hey there, welcome to my channel. Get ready to learn how your heart pumps blood with every beat. Let's dive in. This is your heart. It has to pump around 100,000 times a day. That's like non-stop for a whole year without a break. So let's see how it manages to do this amazing feat. Let's start by zooming into this cross section. We'll use red arrows to show deoxygenated blood, which is blood that has traveled around the body delivering oxygen and is now returning to the heart. And we'll use blue arrows to show oxygen-rich blood, which is blood that has picked up oxygen from the lungs and is ready to be pumped out to the rest of the body. Deoxygenated blood enters the heart through this big kind of floppy thing called the right atrium. When it's full, the right atrium squeezes, pushing the blood through this one-way valve into the right ventricle. From here, the right ventricle pumps the blood to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen and becomes bright red. The now oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart through the left atrium. When it's full, the left atrium squeezes, pushing the blood through this one-way valve into the left ventricle. Finally, the left ventricle pumps the oxygen-rich blood out to the rest of the body, and then the whole cycle starts again. In short, the oxygenated blood enters the right atrium, then goes to the right ventricle, then to the lungs, where it becomes oxygenated. Then it goes to the left atrium, then the left ventricle, and finally to the rest of the body before returning to the right atrium to start the process all over again. And what makes this all happen? An electrical system that fires off signals telling the heart when to squeeze. The SA node or sinoatrial node located in the right atrium is the heart's natural pacemaker. It fires off a signal and the electricity spreads to the atria, causing them to squeeze and send blood to the ventricles. Then the electricity reaches the ventricles, causing them to squeeze and pump blood out to the body and lungs. If the SA node doesn't fire properly, other nodes can step in and take over, making sure the heartbeat continues. Now that we know how blood flows and how the electrical system keeps the beat going, let's see how these two loops work together to keep our bodies alive. This is a double loop, kind of like a figure eight. Loop 1 starts at the right ventricle. The blood that comes out of the right ventricle goes to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen and drops off carbon dioxide. This is why the part of the loop that shows the blood going to the lungs is red for oxygen and blue for carbon dioxide. Once the blood has oxygen, it returns to the left atrium, which we color with a red arrow because it's oxygen-rich. Now let's follow loop 2. It starts at the left ventricle. The oxygen-rich blood gets pumped out to the rest of the body, which we color with red arrows. The blood delivers oxygen to the body, it picks up carbon dioxide, which we color with blue arrows. After dropping off oxygen, the now deoxygenated blood returns to the right atrium, which we color with a blue arrow because it's low in oxygen. And don't forget Lub-DUB, Lub-DUB, those are the sounds the valves make when they snap shut. Now let's put it all together. Your heart pumps blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen and drop off carbon dioxide, then pumps blood out to the body to deliver oxygen and pick up carbon dioxide, all while using electricity to keep the beat going and making sure your body gets the oxygen it needs to stay alive. Want to give your heart a little extra love? Here are some health hacks to boost your pump. Aim for 150 minutes of cardio each week. Swap out those salty fries for some healthy nuts, and find ways to reduce stress, like taking a walk or doing some yoga. Less stress means longer life. Keep beating, little heart, keep beating. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and smash the like button if you learned something new. Check out our other videos to keep learning about your amazing body. See you next time.